boy. Hey, what's up? I'm the one and only your girl, Lydia Jasmine Elje. Ngamba saba. Banange subscribing ku SMX Media. Yes, catch all your latest gossip abayimbi abakabi buli kimu mubeereko mwekumireko. Happy New Year mbagala nnyo.
Ayina okukola mwaka mulambo okulaba nti abeerawo. Lwansonga emu sinzirwa kuba tulina wezzalawo no. Naye ekiwaatule wajja okusanga muntu ng'amanyi nti audience etula ekiwaatule ebeera yankalakalira ate nga yansalasale. Thank you so much. Personally, mbeerawo n'entambula nembalaba nembabuuzaako ne twekulira ku bifaananyi naye nina ensonga lwaki nkikola. Lwansonga nti eno audience eno yanjawulo. Naye mu audience eno buli kiseera mbeera njagala okukolawo ekyenjawulo. Omwaka ogw'oggwa mwalaba Katalea ne Kando abaaliwo. Sijja kyo? Naye mulabye enjawulo yaabwe omwaka guno. Mulabye adduse nnyo. Mwongera okuwagira abayimbi b'e Uganda. Okay? Naye mu support yange n'okuzimba music industry sirekera awo. Mbeera njagala nnyo okuwa abantu platform ne support kubanga mpulira mu mulenda bw'omuntu yenna nga kimenkinga ngamba singa nooli. So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'd like to introduce to you two friends. These are little girls. One is 14 years old and the other one is 16 years old. Come on, baby girls, come on. Where are they? Come on. Yes. Banaba baby. Yes. What is your name?
I'm crazy.
Oh, I want you to be loud. Put the keys out. So come on, what is your name?
I'm Praise.
Praise. What's your name?
Beata.
Okay. Manyinti abamo mwenzo kuba mmanyi Beata because that's my daughter. She's 16 years old. Atusofumirwa. Abo balabika bafango lyabo. Omanyi abafango tebazikiza. Tannaba kutuuka. Now, ayimba naye tannatandikira ddala. Noono bamuyita Praise. Njagala kubawaayo seconds newe eddakiika emu just bayimbemu ku keys because kirungi nnyo okuwa abaana bano platform. Tujja kutandika ne muwala wange akooneko katono ate yabeera ku ssomero then bwetuma shat 7 muveeko tujja aba express wekye tujja. So what can you sing something? It doesn't have to be a full song. I just want to hear your voice. Okay? Okay. I will love you every day. Hey.
I've gone around the world a billion times and I've seen a lot of places and faces, but I'm always back to you. And honey, on my mind, not anything. The lady by my side each and every day. I'm coming back to you. No matter how many times I'm around us, no, you got me feeling like starting a new life now. Even if I say how I feel. I will love you every day. Hey, 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 hey. I will love you every day. Hey, 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 hey. I will love you every day. I will love you every day.
Beautiful. Put your hands together for me. You know, talent is talent. And I thank God that she has a talent that I haven't built as yet. I haven't built that talent as yet. But I'm proud of you. Because now I know there's something. Omanyaji buli kiseera n'akoonako sicho. Akaloboozi kagenda katerera sicho. Kati katuwulirize ku Bebe ono. Bwekye. You know, music just makes me melt. Okay? This young girl is called Praise. I'd like to introduce you Praise's father, a man who walks every night and day in different bars, okay? Trying to push a talent. And every time I sit somewhere, we went to that one today that will send you. Where's the father? Please, Jangu Tata. I am an example when it comes to Alpha and my family, of course, including Beata. But this is a man who must stand up here on stage. I don't know. Just Momulabe Kobulabi. Because this is the next talent. Now, here I know we've got talent in this too. And there's actually Nemwanawa Catherine Kusasa. She's a very good voice. But I want to give thanks to this gentleman. Onoyetata wa praise. Toba naitambulichemu. For the sake of music, I give you one knee. And thank you so much. When I asked them to be friends because of his character. gentleman, hardworking. So, Uganda, Elamwenaba YouTubers, TikTokers, I ask you kindly, let us raise these two talents. Let us raise them slowly. Oppressor. Fango ni speed kendere. Tewali atuse kufumbirwa. Thank you so much, my daughters, and I love you so much. Douglas.
Uncle Bebe, the story begins from here. Negaidira Bebe, Negamba Bebe emirundi ngama 15. Negamba Bebe, otadde sente nyingi mu bayimbi. Nina omwana gwenjagala olabe. Bebe akwata nyonyi agenda America, agenda London, agenda wa. Paka Bebe we yangamba, Douglas, I'm going to come one time. If I get disappointed, sit down. Bebe boyaja nempita omwana ono ne daddy we. They are testimonies. Nembagamba omusajja yagambye ajja olwaleero. I told you to sing your heart out. Do you remember? Daddy, you remember? Omwana ono we yayimba. Bebe kuli yangamba, Daddy nice. You've taken me back to the days when I signed Rema Namakula. Nagamba, this girl is the future. Nagamba mulete. Omwana we yafukamira mu maaso go. I remember you wanted to cry. No mugamba, don't kneel. No mugamba, you a star. You have made so many stars, including me. I give you your flowers today.
Thank you, Douglas. I don't want this to be done in front of my babies, but I want to tell you that my job. Jemulabye tugenda nga babagamba bafeewo bagende tetusakufawo nga tetukoze bintu nga bino. Sijja kyo? Bano baana bamwe sijja kyo? Kale, kakati genda kuteekamuko obudakiika nga batuwulirizaako akowe sinza mugira naye omusawo n'omulala ate balina kye baŋŋamba awo ne bw'olaba nkolamuko bwenti nga mpulira njagala mulabe ku musawo mulabe ne ku muwala eyakuba bato ate babeera busy naye siri so sure how long they will take to be here. But now to the fans, first of all I want to thank Uganda Police and all the Baganda Babwe companies on laser security. Thank you so much for securing Tuatule. And Udo zon naje munalaga ziri safe. Teri muntu yenna agenda kwatibwako. Naye tukyaliwo abasobola. Tuweeyo omusawo n'omuwala obudakiika. Naye tulaba nga tekigira. Era tujja babuulira nti naye omanyi tuyinza kubatereka nnyo kubanga abasajja abo baagala kutuuka wano naye mba nina okulaba nti abantu bange baba bakyagala okubeerawo okulinda. So naye ng'ate byonna it's okay. Thank you so much. I love you. It's not so easy. It's calling now and kiss make me busy. Say now make me think not so easy. It's calling now and in a behind of peace, so there's a bit of fire burning. You're the realest one, so we could have never catch one. Now you're the best one. Tell you I'm going to wanna still you're running me out. I lead your way, wanna touch your body, go come your way. Touch your family, to get that baby. So easy, never just calling out, nothing but make me busy. And now I'm everything runs so easy, never just calling out. Many things running on my heart, still you're the best in my heart. You're the names running on my heart, and I ain't fancy how can you? I think life is want give me one day. So we could never disappoint. Easy, make it easy. Got it your way. Wanna touch your body, back on your way. It's gonna feel me. Do you know? Say now make me till run so. And I got to score it now. Make me easy. Say now make me till run so easy. And I got to score it now. Make me easy. Ladies and gentlemen, put me. Come on. Together, Maso. What do you want to? Chiwatule is home. And I want to thank you so much. Jagala kuwebaza okujanga wano supporting the music industry. Ngenapso mwezi 26 omuyimbi